How to turn off the timer in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the timer in Snapchat. It's super quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, you'll notice that on the right hand side, there are several tools options. So here at the end of the tools option, you'll see the drop down arrow. So just tap on it, and after that, a lot of options will pop up. From there, you can simply tap on the timer option to turn it on. And now, if I press on the camera button, you'll see the time starts counting down before taking the snap. And now here, to turn the timer off, simply look at the toolbar and there the timer icon will be now visible. So simply tap on it, and after that from the pop-up menu just tap on cancel, and that's it. That's how you can turn off the timer in Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.